5 most profitable agro grains, agro products that you can actually go into, either farming them or you store them. You go into storage business or you go into wholesale business. In Nigeria, these grains are planted mostly in the northern part of Nigeria in large quantity. You can actually start the business of these grains, and in a short period of time, you become a millionaire. How do I know? Because this is what I have been doing. My name is Agribusiness, and I am your anchor on this channel. On this channel, what I do is to talk about small, medium, and large-scale businesses that anybody can start in Nigeria and become profitable. And most of them are things that I get the relevant information from those who are into them, from those who are doing them. And in this edition, I'll be telling you the 5 most profitable agro grains, agro products that you can actually farm yourself, or you can actually go into storage of these particular grains and you become a millionaire overnight. So if this is the kind of information you have been looking for, if this is the kind of things that you like, do not forget, please kindly subscribe to this channel. You can also like my video, share my video. You can also comment. If you have any question, any comment to me, you can make a comment. And also you can turn on that bell notification icon so that anytime I drop a fresh video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Without further ado, please, let's just dive in straight into the 5 most profitable products, agro products that can turn you a millionaire overnight. Number 1 on my list is melon seed, popularly known as egusi in Nigeria. The lifespan is usually 3 months, and the farming period is usually after 3 to 4 rainfalls in the early part of the year. So if you are resident in the northern part of Nigeria or in the middle belt of Nigeria, the condition is usually very, very favorable to plant this particular agro grain, and the yield, if properly planted, is usually large. On 1 hectare of land, you can plant like 10 noodles, or let's say about 4 to 5 painters of this particular egusi, and you are sure of at least 15 to 20 bags at the end of the harvest season. So if you want to go into farming of egusi, be rest assured that if you are serious with it, it can make you a millionaire even within a year. The second agro grain that can make you a millionaire overnight is Bene seed. Bene seed is just like egusi. They have almost the same lifespan, the same period of planting and then harvest, but it is smaller in size, and it has several domestic and industrial applications. So many people outside Nigeria buy it in large quantities because so many companies use it for the production of so many things, like animal feed, children feed, like adult feed, like so many things that they use Bene seed to produce. So if you go into Bene seed farming, or you go into the storage of Bene seed or the wholesale of Bene seed, just be rest assured that it can turn you into a millionaire overnight. The third grain that can turn you into a millionaire overnight when you farm it, or you store it, or you sell it on wholesale is soya beans. Soya beans is a very, very popular agro grain in Nigeria. It has a very wide application. It is used for the production of local beverages. It is used for the production of foreign beverages. It is used for the production of animal feed. It is used for the production of feed, of fish feed, and the rest of them. So many wide applications, even baby food, and so on and so forth. It is a very rich source of protein and so many industrial applications. So if you start to farm soya beans, then you are sure to become a millionaire. The only thing you need to do is to make sure that you get the right location to start the farming, or if you want to go into agro storage business, please make sure you watch this you watch other videos in this channel, because it is going to help you a lot. I talked about agro storage business so much on this channel. Just check my channel playlist and you will see so many videos. Just make sure you watch them so that you get the information that you need to get started. The fourth agro product that can that can pump money into your pocket, into your bank account is beans. You see, beans has the capacity to blow you up even within a year. Let me tell you something. If you invest 1 million naira in beans farming for a particular season, the return on investment, the yield, will blow your mind. I'm telling you, it's something I have done and I keep doing. If you invest 1 million naira to farm beans, there is no way you will not get up to 50 bags of beans. I mean the big bags. These bags is sold for around 180,000 naira on harvest. So if you do that and you have 50 bags and you multiply 50 bags by 180,000 naira, that is close to 9 million. But let's be on the safer side. If you spend 1 million naira on beans farming, you will get nothing less than 3 million naira after 6 to 8 months, because that is the period for beans, both planting and harvesting and storage and drying and the rest of them. So beans is the number 4 agro business that when you start today, either to farm it or to store it and then resell, or to supply or to sell on wholesale, whichever way you want to do it, beans has the ability to turn you into a millionaire. So before I go to the last one for this video, please, I still want you to subscribe to this channel, like the video, comment, share my video. Who knows, a person that needs this information might see it after you have shared it, and then the person will be blessed. The person will thank you for doing that, and so it also helps me to create more videos. Please don't forget to turn on that notification bell icon so that anytime I drop new videos, you'll be the first person to be notified. So over to the number 5 agro grain that can turn you into a millionaire. Number 5 on my list is groundnut. You see, when you select the right species of groundnut to farm, the sweet one, the seeds are not too big, but they're very sweet. When you select them and you farm them, let's assume that you farm on 1 hectare, which is 10 plots. You will get nothing less than 20 bags of groundnut, and each bag can sell for between 80 to 90 to 100,000 naira when it is harvested. But when it is stored after harvest, it can sell for ×2 of this amount I just told you now, after 4 to 5 months of being stored. You understand? So groundnut is one of the most lucrative and very, very rewarding agro products to venture into. So if you have money somewhere that you're not using, you just kept it somewhere, you're not using it, please take the money and go into farm business. Now the good part is this, is that when you partner with us, you don't even have to farm yourself. All you have to do is to come down to the north, in Nasarawa State to be precise, where I am based right now. You can come there. We introduce you to farms. You are going to hire, you're going to rent a farm, lease a farm, depending on how much you have. Then we'll bring you the workers that will farm for you, do everything for you, harvest for you. Even when it is time to sell, they will sell for you on the farm and then return your capital to you. Of course, you will pay them for their services anyway, but everything will be taken care of. You don't even need to do the farming yourself. So there are workers on ground being supervised by me and my team that will do the farming for you. All you have to do is to make sure that you have available capital to invest, and you will smile home. You will smile at the end of each season. Remember that in the north here, you can farm on a piece of land 2 to 3 items. You can put maize in the ground, and after 3 months or 4 months, you harvest maize. You put beans. After beans, you can put guinea corn or Benin seed, and so on and so forth. Within that same year, you understand? So think about it. Make sure that you don't have any money somewhere that is idle, that is doing nothing. Try to invest that money in agro business, either in farming or in storage business. I also want you to check my channel. You will see so many videos that I have produced on this channel, that I have actually done on this channel, that will tell you more about agro storage business and agro wholesale business, and how you can get a farmland in the north here to farm. I will see you in the next video. And in the next video, I'm going to be upgrading this video. I'm going to be adding to the list of the most profitable products that you are going to make money, so much money from, and I can turn you into a millionaire overnight. Thank you. I will see you in the next video. God bless you.